Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will have a look RGB wireless mouse and retro style mechanical keyboard. Product links are in the description if you would like to have a look. Without further ado, let's get started. This is an affordable and budget-friendly wireless mouse. Packaging is very simple, and inside the box you will get the wireless mouse and a USB charging cable and the user guide. Let's get into the design and a look. Even though this is a very affordable mouse, but it has a decent build quality. It feels very solid in hands. This mouse has RGB backlit installed. It has 7 different color modes with breathing effect. The wireless receiver can be found underneath, next to the on-off switch. It is just plug and play device and no any other software required. It has decent wireless range thanks to the 2.4 GHz transmission. Charging port is located top left corner. It has 600 mAh rechargeable battery that provides decent battery life. Also, it has auto sleep mode when not in use to save the battery. This mouse has 8 different buttons. They are very easy to reach and has good response. It has good control grip when using. You can use the plus and minus buttons to change the DPI level. It has 3 different DPI levels to choose and perfect for gaming. The ultra low click mute design is ideal for use in quiet places. You can use it without worrying about disturbing others. It is compatible with most operating systems including Mac, Windows and Linux. This wireless mouse enhances user comfort with reliability. Thanks to the comfortable design, it can be used for longer period. Next on the list is RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Inside the box, you will get the instruction guide and the keyboard. Let's start with the design. This is a USB powered wired mechanical keyboard that has a retro typewriter style keycap. It has an aluminium chassis and a keyboard base made out from hard plastic material. You will find on-off switch on the back that helps to manually turn on or off the backlight. Keyboard has 4 rubber feet that provide better grip when using. This keyboard has 87 non-conflicting keys. Floating design keys made out from ABS plastic. It is perfect for typing or gaming. Circular flat keycaps has silver ring and keys are matte finish, which helps to reduce the amount of fingerprints when used. You can easily remove and attach the keycaps without using any tools. This keyboard has tactile feedback and audible click sound. It has 2 knobs on each corners. One on the left allows to control the brightness level. Also, when you press the same left knob, it will allow you to change the color effect. This keyboard has 18 different backlight modes, such as static, interactive, breathing and full backlight. Backlit RGB lights are very bright and vibrant, and mostly because of the silver ring around the keycap. You can clearly see the keys in the dark thanks to this RGB backlight. It has really colorful, random, dazzling patterns. Right knob will allow to control the volume level and media. Also, you can play, pause songs and quickly mute the track or skip to the next one using this media knob. This keyboard doesn't have a numpad, but it has 8 dedicated shortcut keys. You can assign dedicated backlight color pattern when playing games. Function and arrow key will allow to change the color mode, and you can control the speed of the pattern. At the end, this keyboard is perfect for typing and casual work. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you wish to see more reviews like these, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also leave a comment what you think about this review. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again on next video.